Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Affiliate Red Flag feature step by step. First, go to the Affiliate Press Affiliates page. This is the Manage Affiliates page. Here, you can see all registered affiliate users. To mark any affiliate with a red flag, click on the red flag icon, confirm the action, and then click the Yes button. As you can see, the first affiliate user is now marked with a red flag. Now, copy this affiliate user's referral link and purchase a product using that link. This is the Contact Information page. Enter the required details, select your payment method, and click the Place Order button. The order has been successfully placed. Open the Commission page. Here, you can see that the first commission record is marked with a red flag. Open the details and approve the commission status.